Creating a food production record. A food production record is a log of how much food was made to feed the participants at a meal or snack. Food production records are often used to confirm that each participant received a portion size of each food item to satisfy the meal pattern requirements. Notes about food production records. 1. There must be a menu entered in order to create a food production record. 2. Once a food production record is finalized, the menu can no longer be edited. 3. Food production records can be deleted until a site clicks Submit to sponsor. Creating a food production record. Begin by clicking Menu on the main dashboard. This will take you to the menu calendar. On the menu calendar, click on the date and meal for which you would like to generate a food production record. This will take you to the meal details screen. On the meal details screen, click on the blue Edit Food Production button in the lower right corner. This will take you to the food production screen. The food production has 4 columns. The first column is Numbers for Production Record. These are the numbers that are manually entered by the center to be used in food production calculations. The second column is Estimate from Schedules. These numbers will be filled in for dates in the future and will include our estimates for how many participants we expect in each age category based on participant schedules. If you choose not to enter participant schedules into My Food program, this column will always display 0. The third column is Actual Meal Counts. This column will be filled in for dates that are today or in the past and will include the actual counts of each participant in each age category. This column will not be filled in if you are taking meal counts by head count since we do not know the age category for the participants. The last column is Age Range and is a list of the CACFP age ranges. To proceed with creating a food production record, complete the fields in the first column called Number for Production Records. If there are no participants in a particular age range, you can leave it blank. Then click the blue Estimate Production button and the estimates will appear at the bottom. To generate the estimates, My Food program multiplies the number of participants in each age range by the minimum portion size requirements associated with that age range. Complete the food production record by editing the estimates to reflect the actual amount of food and fluid milk produced. Then scroll to the bottom and click the green Save button to return to the meal details screen. You will now see the food production amounts listed on the meal details screen. Note about food production units. The units used in the food production records are tied to the food item that you selected on the menu. If you wish to change the units, you must go back to the menu and select a different food item. For example, if you want your food production record to be pounds, then you need to select a food item with, in lbs, in the description. Otherwise, the units will default to those used in the meal pattern requirements, which are cups and ounces.